Form DS-3053 is the Statement of Consent, the form a non-applying parent signs when one parent is applying for a child's U.S. passport. Here's how to fill it out. At the top, enter the child's full name and date of birth, then the applying parent's full name. Under Relationship, check Legal Parent if you're a birth or adoptive parent, Legal Guardian if you have a court order, or Third Party for other situations. Anna checks Legal Parent. Section 3 is the key section, the non-applying parent's information. Enter their full name, then their address, phone number, and email. This lets the State Department contact them if needed. Ben Carter is Lily's other parent. Both parents must sign before a notary or passport acceptance agent, and the non-applying parent attaches a copy of their ID. Click Done to download. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.